Good morning guys! Welcome to another episode of Bud TV. Today is a Sunday. Medyo nabawasan na tayo ng 1 hour from DST, so nag-roll back na yung oras natin. The time is 8 o'clock in the morning and we are going to Marion's place because we're going to have a pre-meet today. Merong car meet which will be held in PNS Detailing sa Hayward. And it is with collaboration with Superdrive. And napag-usapan namin kahapon kasi this video was made after namin gawin itong EK. And we decided na pumunta kami doon to show some support kay Kuya George kasi Kuya George will be selling food today. So suportahan lang namin siya and then konting usap-usap, kwentuhan and get together. Pero uuwi rin agad. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga pupunta for today's meet, but as far as I know, mixed ito, kahit anong mga sasakyan, bring any cars that you want and just, you know, basically have a good time. So let's go and punta na tayo kila Kuya Marion. Usapan namin mga 8:30. It's not gonna take so long for me to get there. And then we'll see kung ano yung mga meron doon, kung ano yung what's going to happen later in today's video, okay? Manood lang kayo. Okay, nandito na tayo. Good morning. Ito na naman. Panibagong pakikibakan na naman.
Titingnan ko kung tama yung ano ng sticker mo eh, kung tama yung base eh.
Ito yung EK.
Iba sumusulat.
Ayan, nagpupunas si Kuya Ton. Dala-dala yung Jimny JB43. Ito yung FK8. FK8. Good morning, good morning. Oh.
Ito dapat.
Yan.
Gusto ko maglagay eh. Ganun.
Jawas built, straight, pogi. Quick car wash bago umalis. Ito malinis na kahapon, nilinis ko after namin gawin. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo kasi naka-invert pa yung ano eh. Mukha lang malinis yan sa camera pero sa totoo lang hindi. So magro-roll out na kami na lang naman yun nandito eh. And then doon na daw didiretso yung iba para makapark na tayo. Let's go! Mga boys nandito, naka-relax na. Say hi. Yan.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Sino ba nagsasabi nun? Yung kain na kain, di ba? Good morning, good morning. Kain, kain. Kain kayo mga idol.
Almusal tayo.
Almusal. So yan na, yung setup ng jeepney oh. Tapos ito yung ano, ito yung FK8. So ngayon, relax today. Hindi kami magbebenta. So ikot lang kami. Walang pickpockets today. Ikot tayo. Ayan, so lakad na tayo. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga makikita natin for today. May mga konting food stalls. Ito, yung kay Kuya George, nakaset up na siya. Punta natin si Kuya George. Medyo busy si Kuya George eh. So, all up na yung busab. Bisita tayo sa mga nag-iiyaw ng barbecue. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag hindi kami nagtitinda, no, relax lang. Hindi katulad ni Kuya George. Ayan, si Harvey always willing to help. Sila ate, busy. Balikan natin sila. Order na kami ha. Okay. California Roadhouse. Beamer. R34. Dito sa VIP area, yun yung kasama yung mga vendors, and then yung mga invited cars on display dito sa harap. So again, this is a sponsored event by PNS and Super Drive. So it's a mix. It's a mixed car meet. And you get to see a lot of Euros, imports, all mixed for today. So many cars, so many Beamers out in attendance today. People on Hondas right here, FL5s, FK8s, they're all in attendance. Shout out to Steven of PNS Sales. It's a nice engine bay. Look at the turbo. Dito naman, they're having a live demonstration on how they, detail a car exterior wise. They're detailing a Porsche. Nice. Nice Porsche. Thank you, Pops.
Let me guide you? Yeah. Bring it. All the way.
Man, this is beautiful. Ford Cobra.
Bring it out a little bit.
Gotta get back to that car later. Anyway, going back, puntahan naman natin tong Integra Type R. Man, sorry for the noise, but there are people playing with RCs right now. This is one clean Integra. Look at the badges. JDM. Complete with decals. JDM decals. Ito, one line of Porsches. Let's see on this other side kung ano pa yung mga nakapark dito. Ito naman yung I think mga muscle car area. Civic hatch. Same color as what I have. Probably the owner was too busy, didn't have the time to wash his car. Ito, Civic EG or EJ. Nakamugin. Tas yung dalawa nag-iikot din, oh. Ayun sila. Si Kuya Patrick. Oo, ngayon lang ako makakapag-vlog eh. Ito linis, ganda nito. Tapos sundan natin sila. Ewan ko, ito ikay din, oh. Si Alan nangunguna eh, hindi ako napansin. Siguro may kausap siya sa phone. Ito yung maingay, kanina pa to eh. Magpapark. Magpapark na yan, magpapark. Ingay na, diesel ba yun?
Parang Dio,
alam ko
Honda
eh.
Dio.
Honda Dio, no? Oo, ngayon lang makakapagganto. Oh, ito, gusto ko to. Gusto ko tong GR Corolla na to.
Ito, best of show talaga to. Padre ka tayo.
Ayan, no? Asan ba si Honda Pro Jason?
Ay, ito. Jason. Honda Pro.
Puta, lahat sabog na sabog yung Facebook ano ko eh. Puro Honda Pro Jason nakikita ko eh.
Sabog sa Red Doors ngayon yun.
Tapos
Instant celebrity si Loco eh. No?
Oo.
Mapalik yun.
Oo, mawiwili yun dun. Ganda.
May Jason niya kaya.
Uy. Ganda.
Interview ka ngayon.
Pangarap.
Baka naman.
Dave, boss, Dave. Ganda. Ayan o. T37 GR4. Ayan o, pogi. Ganda, ganda.
Merong 5 years pa lang kapag 2020, pandemic.
Para may exposure siya, di ba? So ito, may mobile car wash siya. Binigyan kami ng tarjeta. Napaka-Tagalog eh, no? Binigyan kami ng tarjeta para si Brian Bautista. Now, I want him to have a little bit of exposure for the video. Hey Brian, I might have thought of, you know, saw your setup and it's really good. This is Brian. He's the owner of the mobile car wash. Panda Auto Detail. He is based out of Sunnyvale. If you guys want, you know, to have your cars washed or detail, whatever, you can go ahead and you know, contact him, and I'll try to put the link below the video. Thank you.
Yeah, we go to you guys. That's what we're here for.
All right.
Wash your cars.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. So that's his setup. You know, all the chemicals, all the detailing. You know, all the machineries and chemicals that he's using for on how to wash a car and detail everything is pretty much complete. It's a good setup. All right, Brian. Thank you so much. You too. And so, you know, we just want to help out, you know, local businesses, you know, thrive. I want to try him out next time. Sunod tayo dito. Iniwan ako ng mga kamote. So yung meet is extended all the way up until here. There's still cars parked here at the back. So again, as what I've said, this is a mixed car meet. So this is a, you know, a fun event for everybody. See? S2000, puntahan natin to. Very clean S2000. Very clean. Engine bay is well detailed. Not a dust or a speck of dirt on the engine bay. Meron siyang camper set. Not a camper, but roof rail, roof rack. Complete. It's nice. Ito FK8. Medyo na-busy rin, hindi nakapag car wash. Tapos eto na po yung mga mga kabarangay natin, namumula na, pinupulaan na yung mga ibang kotse ng iba. Pulaan nyo ng pulaan, di naman tayo naiintindihan. Diba? Okay, so FK8 and then FL5. They're trying to compare notes. I'm not quite sure because Gardo over here has an FL5 and they're trying to compare notes, right?
Kyle FL5. Kyle's FL5.
Ah, Kyle's FL5 and your FK8.
Yes,
What
sir.
the hell? Sell that shit. Get an FL5, man.
So, stock shit.
Alright. Okay, so ayun, basically that's everything. I mean, nakaikot na tayo. A lot of Beamers, a lot of Euros, a lot of Japanese imports. This is a fun meet. So, Patrick, anong bago sa FK8 mo?
Yung ano lang, spoon wing. Tapos, yun pa lang.
Kinuha mo ba yun sa LA?
Ay, hindi sa LA yun. Layo nun.
Ayun o, yung ito nakakuha na o. Ayun o. Oh. So, spoon wing. Tapos, eto.
Mr. Spoon.
Oh, si Mr. Spoon.
Wala pa, ano pa lang.
Funny kwento. Pero yun, nakakuha na kami ng ano, ng pagkain courtesy of Busa Barbecue. Thank you Kuya George, maraming salamat. Ngayon lang
George,
din,
thank you!
ngayon lang din kami makakapag-vlog talaga dahil every time na nagpupunta kami sa mga car meets, talaga nagbebenta lang kami. Oh, ito tahimik oh. Gutom na yan, ibig sabihin.
Sarap ng hindi nagbebenta.
Oh, sarap na hindi nagbebenta, hindi nawawalan, hindi na pipitasan, di ba? Hindi na pipitasan. Ayan oh, gusto niyo to? Oh. Ayos yan oh. Right? Ha? Saan ka? Yan ang gusto ko. Panis. Oh, kain muna tayo guys. Total, naikot na naman natin tong meet na to. So, let's go and take a seat. Ayan, so nag-aalisa na yung mga tao. Pero sarado, bubuksan ni Alan para naman makatikim tayo ng, makasakay tayo ng ano, FK8. Oo po. Diba? Oh, ayan. So andito tayo sa ano, sa FK8 ni Alan. Shout out to you Kuya Alan. Salamat sa pagpapaupo ng ano. Oh, ganda, nakabit na nila oh. Ayan. So naka-spoon shift na. Ano mo naisip ko, maganda rin ng ano eh, no? Maganda rin ng aluminum kesa sa black. Meron pa naman yata ako doon, pero I'm going to try to see. Kuha ko ng isa, kabit ko rin dun sa EK natin. But then again, tapusin na natin yung video natin for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dun sa walkover video natin dito sa event na to. Again, this is sponsored by PN. Again, sorry na ano na the battery's gone dead, but again, we're going guys. What I've said, this meet has been sponsored by PNS and Super Drive Official. Maganda yung naging turnout for today's meet. Shout out din sa Busa Barbecue, Kuya George, and thank you for giving us some food for today. Mag-uuwi rin ako ng baon or pasalubong para sa bahay. And I enjoyed today's meet. Medyo ano pa ngayon, medyo cold pa ngayon, but then again, salamat for watching the video. If you want, you know, similar contents, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel. There'll be a lot of videos coming your way, travel and then cars, lifestyle natin dito sa Bud TV, and also some vlogs showcasing my build of my EK. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Subscribe and then share the video for support. Thank you. Bye-bye.